Microlinked Hair.
The first module in the Microlinked Hair E-Tutorial shows you how to choose the right hair to blend in with your own texture and how to create the iTip hair extension strands needed for your new look. The second module gives you an in-depth look on how to install and arrange your iTip hair extensions for a partial hair extension look and a full head look. Module 3 is all about style. You'll be shown how to wash, condition, and blow dry your microlink hair extensions, and you'll also find out how to wrap your hair at night and tips for brushing, ponytails, and any sort of heat styling. The fourth module in the e-tutorial shows you how to do your monthly maintenance on your microlink hair extensions to keep your natural hair healthy and extend the life of your look. The final module is all about proper removal of your microlink hair extensions, and it shows you how you can reuse your iTip hair strands.